to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for everyone returning. So I know you guys have seen that title, and this video is honestly so overdue. Like, I actually did this video already and never posted it, so now I feel like I need to do an updated one, so apologies you guys. So yes, I will be showing you guys what I eat in a day, and right now it's like 12 something. I'm not really a morning kind of breakfast girl, but in order to be on my health journey, that's what I need to do. So y'all been gassing me up on Instagram. First of all, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me, Nyla.allure, period. Y'all been gassing me up on Instagram, saying I look good and, you know, the weight is coming off, everything. And I truly appreciate it. I have been working hard, but these last 2 weeks, like, I've been slacking. Like, your girl hasn't been in the gym, and I ain't been eating that good, so it's time to get right back into it. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so this is what I will be eating. I'll be eating some eggs, and I love butterball turkey sausage links, so I don't eat pork anymore. Well, it's been a while since I ate pork, probably like a year or so, but this is what I'll be eating, and everything I eat is serving size, okay? So 3 links is 110 calories, and I'll be eating 2 eggs. I'm a person where I do calorie count. It works for me. You know, I use the app called MyFitnessPal, which I will show you guys. It'll probably pop up on the screen right here. But I'm also probably going to show you guys throughout the video. So let's get to cooking. I will also be using this organic baby spinach that I like to put in my eggs. Sometimes I eat it scrambled. Sometimes I may make an omelet, depending on if I mess it up or not. But yeah, so this is 2 eggs. I like to use 1 egg white and then 1 regular egg so I could get all my protein in. And I really like egg whites. And I like to add a little bit of seasoned salt. This is actually the 25% less sodium one. So I'm about to cook my turkey sausages, but I'm going to use this extra olive oil. And this is a Pam. This actually has 0 calories, so this definitely helps. So like I said, serving size is 3 links. I like to add a little bit of cheddar cheese in my eggs. So again, serving size is 1/4 cup, which I actually have a measuring cup. In cups, this actually helps. So this right here is 1/4 cup. This is actually 1/3 cup, but this will work. And now I'm gonna add my baby spinach to here as well. And the serving size for this is 3 ounces, and the calories is 20. So I'm actually just gonna add a little bit because I don't like a lot of spinach in my eggs, but just enough. Make sure you wash all your greens. So. So clearly my omelet is a fail, but whatever. So this is what my breakfast is looking like right now, along with my iaso tea, which if you don't know what this is, make sure you go back and check my video out about how I lost 10 pounds in a week. It's gonna pop up right there. But yeah, so this is my breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys how I count these calories. I have an app, it's called MyFitnessPal. Literally, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like if you want to download it. This is what it looks like right here, this blue. So MyFitnessPal, you put all your information in and it tells you how many calories you can eat a day, which I I'm supposed to eat 1790 a day. Obviously, if you work out and you burn more calories, you are able to eat more. So this is my first meal of the day. So what you do is you click add, and it tells you everything here that you can add, your weight, food, exercise. So I'm gonna add food, and it's breakfast. So I usually like to scan the barcode of everything. So what I'm gonna do is take my eggs, barcode right here, click the top where it says scan barcode. Boom. This is where it pops up, hard-boiled egg. So I'm gonna add one of these, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna type in egg white, because I did have 2 eggs, but like I said, this is just for 1 full egg that I had. Large white egg. Okay. Now look at you guys. An egg white literally by itself is 17 calories. So all the fat is really the yolk. But so far, this is what I've eaten with the eggs. Now I'm gonna add the sausages, and I scan barcode. Serving size is 3. That's 110. This food is high in protein, so I love that it lets you know literally, like, you know, if you're eating good on protein, if you're eating too much protein, too much fat. So now I'm gonna add the cheese in. $110, that's added. And I'm gonna add the spinach, which I didn't really eat. I would say 3 ounces. I'm just gonna add 3 ounces because it's only 20 calories anyway. So, and boom. Look at my breakfast, y'all. Literally, my breakfast was 327 calories. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is how much I ate. So obviously I'm gonna be hungry soon, but me, I like to eat small meals, and then later on at night before I go to bed, I do eat a bigger meal where it's like more carbs, so that I can stay full, don't have to worry about snacking at night. So this is what we have, and this tea is literally only 15 calories or so. So that's what we're doing right now. So I will get back to you guys when it's lunchtime or when I'm ready to snack. Y'all, so it's clearly the next clip. Don't mind my makeup because I'm putting out videos for y'all, so make sure if you haven't watched this video, my makeup tutorial yet, make sure you go watch it. But this is what I've been snacking on right now. It's, first of all, it's 3 o'clock, but this is what I've been snacking on. I've been eating these sour rainbow straws, but they taste so good. But I think I kind of overate. But it's alright, y'all, because I'm really giving y'all a realistic what I eat in a day. I'm not even going to sit here and pretend like I eat all this good stuff all the time. Because like I said, I do eat serving size, but we're going to see. So this actually says serving size 4 pieces. And I ate, I don't even know how much I ate. I know I got 2 left. I'm going to put it in my Fitness Pile app. And I'm going to put it as snacks. So again, scan the barcode. Okay. How many comes in? 1 stick. Sour straw. It says 1 stick is the serving size. Like, I don't get it though. Because on here it says 4 pieces is 150 calories. I'm just going to stop eating these and I'm going to actually make some food. But yeah. Okay, so like I told you guys already, I do like to eat small throughout the day. I'm not really a person who eats heavy because like I said, at night I like to have my heavier meals so I'll be good. So I'm gonna eat a bagel for lunch. And I love everything bagels, this brand specifically, 2-4. And I'm just gonna have it with some cream cheese, but like I told y'all, serving size is key, okay? Listen, y'all don't see me just eating straight salads and just like, no, you can eat what you want to eat. Not telling you to eat crazy, but eat what you want to eat, but serving size is really key. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So here's my bagel, half eaten, but I already added my calories in and I'm gonna show you guys now. It's my food diary and this is lunch. So I ate 340 calories for lunch. So it's also showing me how much I have left, which is $995, and that's for dinner. And y'all, honestly, I'm actually like really getting full over this, but this is just how I programmed my body to eat. So it really depends on how you would like to eat your foods. So I'll be back for a snack or dinner time. So you guys, it's actually dinner time. So it is 5:11. So I'm getting dinner ready, and I actually cook for my entire family, so it's not just me eating. So it's obviously going to be more than just serving size, but we cannot forget that we still are going to put serving size on our plate. So here's what I'm cooking. So here I have some ground turkey cooking, and then right here I have some elbow macaroni shells that's boiling as well. So ooh, camera foggy. So I'm gonna be making hamburger helper, homemade hamburger helper. I have the cheddar cheese here. I'm gonna do my little seasoning and stuff, okay? You know, my hamburger helper bust, okay? So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I cook it. I'm gonna show you like how my serving size is. Yeah. Right, you guys, so this is actually my 1 cup. So I actually don't even need 2 cups because I will get full off of this. But it's good to know that I'm still gonna have some type of eating room, because I know for a fact this is not all 900 something calories. So let's add that into my fitness pal right now. So with meals like this, it is a little bit harder to add because you kind of got to go for detail by detail. So I have to scan this barcode, and then it's like you just really got to make an estimate of what you ate, but you have to make sure that you're realistic. So look, for this it says serving size is actually half a cup, which means I had a whole cup, so that would be 400 calories so far that I had. And then I have some ground turkey in here, which the ground turkey that I use is called Shade Brooks, I believe. And I'm pretty sure that I ate serving size of that, so we're gonna add that in now. Scan the barcode. This is 4 ounces, so I'm just gonna say I had 4 ounces of ground turkey, which is 240 calories. So you guys, I actually ate 640 calories, but right here it says your goal today is to stay under 40 grams of fat. So again, I like how it tells you every single detail. And I have 355 calories left to eat. But you guys, this is actually for sure gonna fool me, to be honest. But this is something that I really wanted to show you guys. I'm super excited that I did this because this video is long overdue, like I said. So that's all for this video. I'm ready to grub because I'm super hungry now. And yeah, so with that being said, I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope that you did take something from this video as well. If you have any questions, let me know down below. What other fitness things you want to see me do? Yeah, you are gonna see more of my actual fitness inside the gym and stuff, being that everything is more so opening back up. I know I said that before, but I'm definitely gonna vlog in the gym. So yeah, you guys, with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video because I'm hungry.